with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
Good morning,
Bay.
आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
Namaskar.
वनकम,
Namaskara.
खुशामदी,
Assalamu alaikum.
सत श्री अकाल,
మీకు అందరికి వందనము.
जय स्वामी नारायण,
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जिनेंद्र,
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद.
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी मतलब बोलेंगे नीसा बोला बटन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा मैं से फालतू बाबा.
And of course myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और Tuesday वाली morning, a little wet, a little cold, a little exciting and totally मस्तानी बन जाए.
थोड़े लिटिल सारा पूरे तरह से बैठे वहाँ पे फालतू नहीं, वही टॉकिंग अबाउट लिटिल.
Literally ही तो है. It's not like it's coming down.
Oh, I'm sorry. Faltoni was not around outside when Rachi was coming down, Faltoni, because I think when you came on when Rachi, with the whole rain had taken down.
It doesn't matter, right?
Wow.
Not coming down.
Now it's not coming down. मतलब क्या था? My goodness.
I would love it if it's like coming down.
Yeah. ये फालतू ना घर के बाद वो बंगले के अंदर बैठे हैं तो इसीलिए उसको कमिंग डाउन. हम जैसे गरीब लोगों के लिए छत होता है फालतू नहीं, एंड डायरेक्ट का प्रॉब्लम होता है, फ्लडिंग होता है हमारे यहाँ पे.
कुछ भी.
हाँ. गरीब लोगों का ऐसे होता है फालतू, तुम सही में.
गरीब लोग.
अच्छा पर एनीवे इसको क्या मालूम गरीब क्या, आपको क्या मालूम गरीबी की क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है फालतू नहीं, छोड़ो. एनीवे बच्चों राइट नाउ आई विल टेल यू आप सुन रहे ड्राफ्ट 5 जंप फैम विद फैम नहीं यार, गुड मॉर्निंग बे है विद द प्यार आल्टो बाय फालतू एंड यस विल गिव यू द अपडेट वर्जन. आई नो everybody is waiting for the update on traffic, what's happening. Many of you actually getting back to work. Yes, so here you go. This is a nice update for you guys about what's happening on the road.
It's time for the Bandu traffic update. Call us from wherever you are at 408-912-2479.
408-912-2479. Well, I'll tell you one thing, but जब भी ऐसा जोरों से बारिश होती है ना, तो that's what happens. Have traffic incidents everywhere because people are actually not keeping heed to the traffic thing of that. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, almost 10 accident reports all across. Yeah, but just start out Samay. Dear 101, go to get bridge, but just an accident of that, which is slowing down traffic in the region. And of course, also a disabled vehicle reported on 80 eastbound 4th Street, which is blocking the left lane there into the bridge, and a huge backup on the bridge. And yes, speaking of the rains, flooding 580 eastbound exiting at West MacArthur Boulevard in Oakland. The off-ramp is affected because of flooding over there. Watch out, drive very much. And speaking of flooding, 880 northbound at Broadway, there actually is the right lane is near the exit actually is blocked because of this particular ramp which is flooded. The Bajan, of course, severe traffic alert has been notified for people who across the 92 bridge, which actually the congestion heavy on the 880 side. And again, if you go Mateo Bridge further downwards north or here near the Hillsdale Boulevard, San Mateo, there's a residual delays over there getting onto the bridge as well. Probably because the construction work going in the region, so watch out for that for sure. Now, Milpitas area, jo bhi hai wahan pe 880 as reported on 237 as it's actually the 680 ramp near Milpitas. Watch out for that particular hazard, which probably could be dangerous if at all you get caught up in that kind of congestion there, so watch out for that. San Jose is reporting 2 incidents, which actually is a severe traffic alert because of a collision and injuries on 87 south and north of the Curtin in San Jose, which is blocking at least 2 exits getting into the 87 or there, getting into, sorry, I think it's the 85 exit that side. So watch out for that, drive very carefully. And also traffic hazard reported on 87 north south of 80 exit. So all those places, watch out, drive very. And of course, the traffic situation on the roads, wherever it incidents, there's a little bit of backup. Other ways are looking really smooth, Banjan, and watch out, there might be some water on the streets. So you got to drive cautiously because of the which might happen, Banjan, and spot probably is the cause for most of the accidents on the roads right now. Very carefully. That was your traffic update. What's happening on the roads? Weather-wise, Faltoni bataya tha, light showers. That's what's going to experience right now for next few more minutes, Banjan. Then it's going to be cloudy until afternoon, and probably afternoon tak to thoda bahut suraj aa jayega. And they claim that probably we'll have have rains tomorrow and the day after tomorrow also, Balja. Yeah, today was not our chance, 50% chance, but I think tomorrow is going to be a 70% chance of rain. So you can actually expect to have the umbrella with you guys in the car if possible. Make sure you at least have a mask on, because that's very important. COVID situation के बारे में हम लोग आपको update देंगे थोड़ी देर में बच्चन. And before that, Faltwani, you know what, Faltwani?
Huh.
I think directly we'll jump into the news, or we have the updates for us.
We have both.
My God, you have both, Faltwani. Oh my
Look,
God,
one
first
thing
time.
that you do want to know is that winter is going to be nice and prolonged this year because the groundhog has predicted it.
Come on, groundhog.
Yes, Pennsylvania's famous groundhog emerged from his tree stump on Tuesday to predict another 6 weeks of winter, just as the northeastern United States blanketed with its second day of snow.
But I'll tell you one thing, this groundhog also totally influenced by all what's happening in the climate change and all. He also totally, don't believe a word of what he says, okay, please.
Well,
Groundhog is like, I don't know, poor thing. What animal, why you want to put the whole hopes of people on the animal?
yeah. Well, this is what happened after a year-long pandemic in which every day seemed like the one before, not unlike the 1993 movie Groundhog Day. Punxsutawney Phil emerged at dawn.
You don't know Punxsutawney Phil?
No.
That's the name of the particular groundhog.
Yeah, the groundhog. He saw
hog.
his shadow,
Uh-huh.
and then he decided to wait it out another 6 weeks, is what his handlers are saying.
Well, actually, the point was he actually to know the handlers were wearing masks. He
Huh.
realized, okay, sheltering in place is important, and he
Huh.
went back inside.
Yeah.
See, even an animal can actually sense this, Fatoni. Why can't our people do that?
It's like, oh, it's not over yet because the Trump impeachment is underway.
You have to make everything political. It's not political. Please, it's sometimes you should listen to nature also. Nature's telling you almost we are winning the battle against this virus. Let's just hang in there. Thoda or little bit of sheltering in place. That's what even the groundhog is doing actually, right?
Oh,
He
really?
went back into shelter.
Right, that's actually true.
Yeah.
That's
That's a message you must take from this whole thing, by the way.
Right. So, anyway, that's something. Did you want the headlines or should I go into the news directly?
I thought that was the headline, right? The groundhog went inside. That was your headline, right?
that was
Oh my
because you were
God!
talking about-
So useful. Fatwa, that's such a nice headline you gave us.
No.
Groundhog went inside.
You
okay.
want more headlines? I can give you more headlines.
Wow, Faltoni, Faltoni, please
Okay.
give us more headlines.
No. You go to Ganika
It's like as though Faltoni is generating headlines for us.
Yeah. Well, the U.S.
You're
Congress-
reporting news, Faltoni. You're not creating it. Please.
Oh, stop.
Our job as media people is to report the news, not create it, Faltoni.
We also need to create it. We need to be
No.
sensational.
No, that's exact. That's too much of Karan Johar in your life.
That's
My
true.
God, stop watching his series, Faltoni.
I'm not watching his series. I've been watching other series.
Where he's involved.
No. Anyway, the U.S. Congress readies first steps towards the $1.9 trillion COVID-19 relief bill. Russia's Sputnik 5 vaccine is 92% effective in fighting COVID-19. Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez recalls the Jan 6th attacks and wants Republicans held to account. Invited as accused Capitol rioters blame Trump in a novel legal defense. Trump, a mob like a loaded cannon at the Capitol. Democrats argue in impeachment. Trump's defense team readies and they're refuting the impeachment claim. Biden is going to be issuing executive orders on asylum, legal immigration, and separated families. And of course, 2 FBI agents were killed in an early morning raid in Sunrise in Florida. And from the tech world, Banjan, is it game over for the Reddit rally? Hot stocks are beginning to cool quickly. Tesla has been forced to recall 135,000 US vehicles under pressure from auto safety regulators. And no plans to enact central anti-conversion law to curb interfaith marriages, says the Ministry of Home Affairs in India. US is concerned by China's ongoing attempts to intimidate its neighbors, is a news item that the House is coming out with. And also, Amazon scores a huge win as the court freezes futures $3.4 billion retail deal in India. And there's one breaking news item that I was reading up on Altibaba, where child psychiatrists are warning that the pandemic may be driving up children's suicide risk.
Oh my goodness, all that and more coming up in a few minutes, but Faltoni, there's one headline which I really want to listen to. I want to know more about actually.
Okay.
Jack Ma?
I don't know, ma.
Well, but you know, the rival of Amazon, that guy, you know, the Jeff Bezos of Chinese Jeff Bezos, I should say,
Yeah.
he actually is missing.
Yeah.
No news about him as yet. Everything getting hushed up. Now you must know what's happening there, Bhajan.
Correct.
Conspiracies are rife right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, Bhajan, don't worry about all those things. But right now, I'll tell you what, Bhajan, you gotta just keep on rocking the weather right now because weather's awesome outside. The weather outside is awesome. I have another song which is also awesome. You can listen to it. Rock on, rock on, rock on, rock on. Why am I punk? I don't know. Farhan Internet? No. The Pachi Desai? No. Because of Purab Kohli? No. Is it because of the Kol Puri? No. Is it because of Arjun Rampal? No.
It's because of Shankar Ehsaan Loy, hoping it'll bring you some.
दिल क्या कहता है मेरा क्या मैं बताऊं तुम ये समझोगे शायद मैं पागल हूँ दिल करता है टीवी टावर पे मैं चढ़ जाऊं चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं ये सबसे कह दूं Rock on है ये वक्त का इशारा Rock on हर लम्हा पुकारा Rock on यूं ही देखता है क्या तू Rock on जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा
And of course, Bhajan, this movie came out somewhere in 2000, right, Faltani?
Right.
Yeah, so it's such an old movie, right?
Hey,
What?
kuch bhi. It didn't come out in 2000 because 2000 was Dil Chahta Hai.
So?
Rock On came 4 or 5 years later.
Okay, whatever. Oh, God, so old.
तेरे गीतों को सुन के सब ये बोले Rock on है ये वक्त का इशारा हर लम्हा तुम्हारा Rock on यूं ही देखता है क्या तू Rock on जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा
You know, I realize one thing, Fatwani. It's not only Hrithik Roshan and Salman Khan. Even Farhan Akhtar is a big fan of taking his shirt off always. And I
Really?
think he's a person who wants to jump into stuff.
What do you mean? He always jumps, right? He
Yeah.
always jumps in the crowd. I think-
Either jumping up in the air or I think he's crying for attention, by the way.
Yeah, I think so.
Some overcompensation is happening with him, but we will not talk about that right now because I do have a photograph with him. He looks like, what, he's like 4 feet?
Yeah.
He's 4 feet. How tall is he? 4 feet? But he looks shorter
Be
than
quiet,
Deepika
Alba.
Padukone.
No. He was a little shorter than me.
Please,
Yeah.
Fatwani, you're 5 feet, so he must be 4 feet, right?
What?
What?
Whatever. I'm 5 feet 10 almost, Banjan. 5'9.5".
Yeah, if you use defective scale, of course.
Oh, Altu, stop.
What? Okay, fine. Hey, how about your Gaane Ka Keeda? Yes, as I promised you, we'll play the Gaane Ka Keeda again for you guys for sure. But ab ke liye, I tell you what's happening. People are waiting with bated breath to see what's the news.
Really, Altu Baba?
I don't know. I hope they are.
Do you want me to start with the coronavirus updates?
Sure, why not?
Well, vaccine distribution in the United States will get better very quickly, Dr. Anthony Fauci says, with the Biden administration's recent purchase of 200 million additional doses.
Yay!
The president says there will now be enough doses to fully vaccinate about 300 million people by the end of the summer, almost the entire US population.
Yay!
Though vaccine efforts are improving, officials are still in a race against those coronavirus variants. Fauci says people who have had COVID-19 and thus some measure of immunity may get reinfected if variants become dominant. What? If they've already had it, they may get reinfected. Okay, anyway. Meanwhile, Japan is planning
She
to...
could believe her own news, man, goodness.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it. So, this is something we need to ask Dr. Anthony Fauci. Alto, please reach out to Dr. Anthony Fauci. Meanwhile, Japan is planning to extend its state of emergency as case numbers rise. Despite worsening conditions, the country's 2020 Olympics president says the games postponed from last year and set up for this number will go on no matter what. In the meanwhile, Banajan, the Senate Democrats are laying the groundwork for passing parts of President Biden's coronavirus relief plan without any Republican votes using a procedural shortcut known as budget reconciliation. This could take up to a month, which would allow for further bipartisan negotiations while leaving the door open for a unilateral deal. Biden spoke with some Republicans yesterday about their counter-proposal to his $1.9 trillion stimulus plan, but it's clear that the Democrats don't think that the GOP alternative is viable. Among the differences, the GOP plan would mean that 29 million fewer Americans would get stimulus payment. Here's a breakdown of where each plan stands on items like school openings and also small business aid. Stimulus payments. Both parties have traded proposals on stimulus check. The president's plan calls for spending $100 per person to eligible recipients. This money would be in addition to the $600 payments that were approved by Congress in December for a total of $2,000. The GOP, on the other hand, but of course, individuals earning less than $75,000 a year will receive the full $600. Married couples filing jointly earning less than $150,000 a year are also due amount of $1,200. The payments will phase out entirely at $87,000 for single filers without children and $174,000 for married filing jointly without children. The new payments would go to adult dependents that were left out of the earlier rounds, like some children over the age of 17. It would also include households with mixed immigration status after a first round of $1,200 checks left out spouses of undocumented immigrants who do not have social security numbers. Now, what is the GOP saying? They want to send $1,000 checks per adult, but target them to those with lower income. This amount would begin phasing out at $40,000 for individuals and $80,000 for couples filing jointly. The upper cap would be $50,000 for individuals and $100,000 for couples. Dependent adults and children would receive $500. Under unemployment benefits, there's another big point of difference. The president is proposing extending benefits through September, while Republicans, who have consistently expressed concerns that making unemployment benefits too generous will dissuade people from getting back into the job market, are suggesting extending support only through June. Biden's plan would cost $350 billion, while the senators said their proposal would cost only $132 billion. Coronavirus vaccines, testing and tracing. Both plans would provide $160 billion to fight the virus. So there's no this thing there. Nutrition assistant. Two plans are similar when it comes to extending food stamp benefits. Biden's package does not put a price tag on this provision, but Republicans say their plan would cost about $12 billion. And for small businesses, both plans would funnel about $50 billion into small business assistance, but through different programs. President's plan looks at extending another grant program for small business owners, which is different from Paycheck Protection. Okay, it proposes $35 billion investment in some state, local, tribal and non-profit financing programs that make low-interest loans available and provide venture capital to entrepreneurs.
Yay! So the rich people are going to get richer. Wonderful! Yay! Wonderful! Yay!
No, the president's plan is for not the rich people getting richer. The GOP's plan is the one which is, I think, I just read through that.
Actually, the people who are going to get those loans are going to be people who already have $1 million in their reserve funds over the years.
No, he's saying small businesses.
It's not for all. Only people apply, and when you have the application part of it, there are people of rejection.
Oh my
Do you
god.
understand? If it say all, let's say there are 1 million businesses in America, right?
Yeah.
If you say all the 1 million people are going to get these things, that's a different issue. Come on, there's still going to be rich people getting richer. Come on, it's just because Democrat doesn't mean that he's not going to be. He's a politician, yeah. Come on. They belong to 1% of the population.
Well, I'll just tell you that the GOP is saying that they want to funnel more money into the Paycheck Protection Program, which I agree with Altu Baba. That kind of sort of is a farce. Because there's a lot of and also the EIDL, you know, the Emergency Injury Disaster Program.
Oh, the joke you're talking about.
Yeah, which provides long-term low-interest loans from the Small Business Administration. Their proposal includes $5 million for audits and investigations into the Paycheck Protection Program. This is one of the other area they are both disagreeing in terms of school reopening. Biden, who has made reopening in-person programs a top priority, is offering far more money to pay for upgrades that teachers and districts say are needed to return safely. GOP says they will only provide $20 billion for getting K through 12 students back to school. But Biden is saying that he wants to provide $170 billion more to K through 12 schools and colleges and universities to help them reopen and operate safely or to facilitate remote learning.
What if the people are not even willing to come? Teachers are not willing to get back to schools. What are you talking about?
That, I mean, some teachers in some areas
So
don't want-
better you put that money into paying the people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, stop funding. Defund the schools. Come on, let's do that movement, Balajan. Defund.
Well, I have a different take on that. Maybe we should do that, but that'll become a serious show altogether.
Everybody who actually schools the children at home should be tax break. How about that?
Yeah,
Why
actually,
hasn't that
I
been come
agree.
out? Yeah.
Why isn't that coming up? Yes, indeed, Altubaba. Very good question that you're asking.
Cut the salary for all the people who don't come to school for work.
Because let me tell you, Banajan, there is a serious report that has come out. NPR has done this exclusive, Banajan, where they're talking about how child psychiatrists are warning that the pandemic may be driving up children's suicide risk. So basically, what they're saying is that one of 19, well, since the shutdown in March, in one particular school district in Nevada, Banajan, almost 19 have died by suicide. 13 of the deaths have occurred since July. There's a sense of urgency, says the superintendent of the Clark County School District. You know that you have a problem when so many children are dying by suicide. Suicide is complex, involving layers of risk factors, including biological and environmental ones, and it's hard to know the exact factors involved in the death of these 19 students, but the sudden rise in deaths has school district officials worried that the coronavirus pandemic may have played a role. There is an increasing number of generalized anger disorders and also major depressive disorders being diagnosed in teenagers, Manajan. We, in fact, ourselves, in just a small sampling of some of the teenagers that we know at least about 35% of the teenagers in that group are suffering from some form of a mental health affliction or the other. So it's really important that you keep an eye on your children. Excessive screen time exposure. What are they exposed to? They're not even in touch with their peers. Whatever they're doing, they're not able to go out and get the environmental. A lot of them are not actually going out for hikes, getting the necessary exercise outside and fresh air. All that is playing a role. So we'll share this article so that you can take a look at it as well. Let's tell you in terms of what is happening with regard to the Sputnik 5 vaccine that has given which was green light on Tuesday, saying that it's said 92% effective in fighting COVID-19 based on peer review late stage trial results published in the Lancet International Medical Journal. And there is a Trump impeachment trial. The U.S. House of Reps Democrats who will prosecute former President Donald Trump in a second impeachment trial said in a brief filed on Tuesday, pointed a mob like a loaded cannon at the Capitol shortly before the Jan 6th rampage, because he told them, "I'm going to march down with you down that road." So he pointed them, is what they're saying. And in terms of news from India, Banajan, we'll share that on MediaMahicom. We don't have time right now to share all those news headlines. We will be back tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. If you do want to catch some good music and good entertainment all day long, all you need to do is download the Radio D Hotties app on iOS and Android. It's free and free.
सब अपने अपने घर की खिड़की खोले, फिर मैं ऐसे जोशीले गीत सुनाऊं, तेरे गीतों को सब ये बोले, rock on, है ये वक्त का इशारा, rock on.
Banajan, this is your darling pyari Mahima ki dulari Faltu Rani. I hope you're enjoying one of these songs.